Hello and welcome to Backroads on my XT.
As Johnson was trying to run a post route with the middle open, and the shutdown corner Hodges Tomlinson just was all over him before the ball was in the air. By the way, that was a throw it in the window for J.J. McCarthy. He threaded two defenders on that one. They'll hand it off to Edwards on first down, dancing around, knocked down, ball comes flying out of bounds. They'll say Edwards is down at the 25-yard line of TCU for a gain of 4. Damn D will be Izar with the tackle for TCU. And Kessie, on this drive, you're seeing really, I think, the difference between Michigan offensively a year ago.
Better not be the same one, that's all I gotta say.
Playoff semis, as opposed to now with J.J. McCarthy playing quarterback. When the run can't get going, J.J. McCarthy does have enough ability to take over in that pass game. Michigan needs an answer. The first quarter clock just expired. They'll have 2nd and 5 from the TCU 24 after the break. After one in Glendale, TCU 14, Michigan nothing. This is the college football playoff semifinal at the Verbo Fiesta Bowl on ESPN Radio and the ESPN app, presented by Wendy's.
What happened there?
The Rose Bowl game on ESPN Radio. The Utah Utes return to the Rose Bowl for their 2nd straight season after defending their Pac-12 title. They'll face Penn State, looking for their 5th straight win and 11th win overall. You know Utah.
Okay, this is the latest Rick's Motorsport Stator charge coil assembly. You can see somebody's already tried to install it. They've got the coating rubbed off of these. Something's going on here. You can see some crunchies in it, but here's the back side. You can see a mark here. Somebody's already marked on it and everything else. But anyway, we're going to run this wires real quick. I'll show you how to do that. We're going to do the 3 stator wires first. You can see here on the charging side, stator coil resistance right here, and then the 3 leads, 1, 2, and 3. So 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and then here's the drawing: lead 1, lead 2, lead 3. So we're going to do that real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna use a little clip here to make it easier. We'll check this clip out real first. So the clip, I guess we won't use that clip. Okay. So we'll check the leads. 6/10 of an ohm. Okay, so here, according to the drawing, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So we're going to go 1 to 3, or I'm sorry, 1 to 2. 1 to 2. 1.4. It's supposed to be 0.48 to 0.72, but we got some wire resistance in there. So we're going to go 1 to 3. 1.2. So really what we're reading is we're making sure those wires are all one good circuit. So they match. So I'm going to call the stator charging wires good. We're going to go over to We're going to go to the charge coil resistance. You see that there? Charge coil resistance. And then we got 3 wires we're going to check. We're going to check the yellow wire to ground. See where the yellow wire runs to ground. And then we're going to check the brown and green wires to each other. So brown to green and yellow lead to frame ground. So brown to green, we're also looking 584 to 876 ohms for brown and green. So we'll do that real quick. So we'll take brown and green. Yep, brown and green. That's these two here. So we'll go brown to green. We gotta change to 2000. Brown to green. $1,017, and it's supposed to be 876, and this is a rebuilt one, so at least you know the wires are good, but something's up in here anyway for that. So now we're going to go yellow. According to the manual, this charge coil is no good because it's supposed to be between 584 and 876. So now we're going to go the yellow lead to ground. Nothing, it's an open, you can see. Yellow to ground is nothing. And see, we can check that even more. We'll go to where the yellow lead is soldered to the coil. And you can see that right there, where the yellow lead is soldered to the coil. So we'll go to that solder point. Oh look, it works. It's a good wire. But see, the wire is supposed to go through this coil and then the ground. And it doesn't. Nothing. See that? So this charge coil is either no good or they built it bad because it doesn't show 20 to 30 ohms. So from the way the box looks, somebody else already tried to install this and said it wasn't any good and sent it back, and now this eBay guy sent it to me, so I get to tell him again, oh look, it's no good still. Yeah, I knew something was up because he wanted a different address, even though he sent me the first one to that address. So this one's no good too. Thank you for your time. We'll talk to you later.